Hello students, I am faculty of Mass Communication at Pratishthan Learning Center, Lotus Petal Foundation. Today we will be talking about history of TV in India. Let's talk about the background, that what was the scenario before independence. Broadcasting was expected to contribute to national integration and development in the country. But initially, the government was reluctant to invest in television because it thought that a poor country like India will not be able to afford this medium. Later on, after independence, even more than a decade, still the popular medium for news and other entertainment sources was radio, because the government was actually very apprehensive that television might prove to be a very costly medium for a country like India. In the year 1959, television was introduced in India, and television has to prove its role in the development process. Initially, it was started in September 1959 as a part of All India Radio Services. The programs were broadcasted twice a week for 1 hour per day. Programs related to development and social issues like awareness on health and citizen right related issues were broadcasted. In 1961, the broadcasts were expanded to include school educational television projects. Slowly, entertainment programs like Indian films and Bollywood songs were also included. Then a few old US and British shows were also telecasted occasionally. So the first breakthrough came with SITE, and SITE stands for Satellite Instructional Television Experiment. In the year 1975, August 1 to the year 1976, 31st July, it marked the beginning of a series of innovative, constructive educational television programs for national development. It was designed to test whether satellite-based television services could play a role in the socio-economic development of the country. It was a system test of satellite broadcast technology in India. ATS-6 was the satellite for this experiment, and it was provided by NASA USA. The ground segment was prepared by Indian Space Research Organization, that is ISRO, which was working in collaboration with the first All India Radio and later Doordarshan. Let's talk about Doordarshan. In 1976, the government constituted Doordarshan, the national television network. 1976 witnessed the advent of advertising on Doordarshan. Then commercialization of Doordarshan saw the development of soap operas, situation comedies, dramas, musical programs, and quiz shows. So, whether this SITE experiment was successful or not, the educational and development programs, they were beamed up to the satellite from Earth stations which were set up in Ahmedabad and Delhi, and they were broadcasted towards India using the high power transmitter and the large antenna ATS-6. These programs were received in about 2,400 villages in 6 different states of India. So in nutshell, this experiment proved to be a success for the TV industry in India. So this was little information about how television began its journey in India. Thank you.